CYTK, stock analysis Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Cytokinetics stock, it is 7% up. Where are we heading next? I'm going to stick to just my strategy that obviously has been tested more than anyone else live, like testing this every single day. I've done 40,000 videos refining the strategy. Show me another person, the scientific approach and using common factors analysis too. But here, generally speaking, I mean, I understand that this is like, this whole thing is just like a big demand zone, and I don't question that. But for me to be bullish, you know, from that demand, I must see breaks higher than 748 bucks, right? And if there's no, then so be it. You know, me randomly buying, it's just never going to be the way that at least I'll move. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. That's about it. I'm waiting for rules. Now, if you want, you can obviously go with the short side, but I would really not bother. So that's just me. Just waiting for breaks above. And if they don't happen, I'm going to keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned, click the first link below for free.